Lesson 9, our national festivals. In this lesson, we are going to learn about what are national festivals. Which are our national festivals? India is a country or a nation. All people who live in this country are Indians. National festivals are celebrated all over the country by the people. We have 3 important days in a year when we remember important events of the past. These are Independence Day, 15th August, Republic Day, 26 January, Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. A long time ago, India was ruled by the British. For many years, our freedom fighters fought hard and we became independent on 15th August 1947. Every year on this day, we remember all our freedom fighters who gave their lives for the nation. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. He makes the speech and asks all of us to salute the country by saying Jai Hind. Flags are hoisted across the country in all the cities, towns, villages and schools. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became republic on 26 January 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. School children and folk dancers from different parts of country participate in the parade. Lots of people come to see this colorful parade. The President of India hoists the national flag. We salute the national flag. Flag hosting is followed by cultural programs all over the country. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. India got freedom under the leadership of Gandhiji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. A prayer meeting is held at Gandhiji's Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister and other dignitaries visit Rajghat. They offer prayers and flowers at his Samadhi. Our national leaders pay homage to Gandhiji by singing bhajans. Gandhiji is known as Father of Nation. Children lovingly call him Bapu. Gandhiji believed in peace and non-violence. Points to remember. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. These festivals teach us lesson of brotherhood and national integration. Match the column. Republic Day. On which date Republic Day is celebrated? Come on, tell me. Is it celebrated on 2nd October? No, it is celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti. When is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? Come on, tell me fast. Right, 2nd October. Independence Day. When is Independence Day celebrated? Come on, tell me. Right, 15th August. So, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. And Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Fill in the blanks with given options. India became independent from dash on 15th August 1947. Come on, tell me. India became independent from whom? Which is the correct option out of these? Right, British rule. Dash is known as father of the nation. Come on, tell me, who is known as the father of nation? Come on, tell me fast. Right, Gandhi ji. A grand dash is held on 26 January at Rajpath in Delhi. Come on, tell me what is held on 26 January. Which is the correct option? Right, parade. Mahatma Gandhi was born on dash 1869. Come on, tell me when is Mahatma Gandhi was born? Right, 2nd October. So now let us summarize. India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. Gandhiji is known as Father of the Nation. A grand parade is held on 26 January at Rajpath in Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Answer the following. You have to answer these questions on your own. Who is known as Bapu? Give 3 names of our freedom fighters. When did India become republic? Why do we celebrate Independence Day?